Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down the system to work safely, turn off the breaker, and check the furnace switch. Once done, remove the Nest cover and photograph each wire label so you won't forget placements. Make sure you have a multimeter to check voltage, a screwdriver for terminals, and a C-wire adapter or spare 24V transformer ready. This prevents guesswork and speeds troubleshooting, because if the thermostat lacks power, nothing else will work. You now test the electrical basics. Measure between the C and R terminals for roughly 24 VAC. Note the exact reading. If voltage is absent or fluctuating, inspect each terminal for loose connections, corrosion, or swapped wires. Colors can be misleading. Once you identify a missing C-wire or low voltage, add a dedicated C-wire or install the Nest power connector. Alternatively, fit a 24V transformer at the furnace. These fixes restore stable power and resolve most boot and connectivity. You finish by powering the HVAC back on and letting the Nest complete its boot. Make sure it connects to Wi-Fi and installs any updates. Then, run a manual call for heat and cool to confirm the furnace and AC respond. Watch the system at the equipment to ensure relays and fans engage. If problems persist, reboot the Nest, recheck wiring tightness and voltage, and if still unresolved, contact an HVAC technician. Send your wiring photos and voltage readings for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.